Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can install Windows 10 uh, Enterprise IoT LTSC with this virtual machine that comes with Windows. You just need to turn from here. Let me show you. Turn Windows feature on and off. You just need to do this in your Windows 11 if it's not home. This option Hyper-V, these options Hyper-V management tools and Hyper-V platforms, just tick those and it will download some files and restart your PC and it's done. So you have this kind of setup. So we'll create a new virtual machine. We already have ISO, we will select that. It will ask us. Okay, so we'll name it Windows 10. We'll it will store by default your virtual machine here, program data Microsoft Windows Hyper-V, but I will change the location. I don't want it to be here. I want it to here in this drive in this folder. And now we'll select next. I will choose generation 2 because I wanted to use UEFI. Generation 2 means newer generation, so configuration for I will give it 8 GB. It has already configured for 4 GB of RAM, but I'm gonna give it 8 GB because I have 32 GB, so I'm giving it. It's plenty to experiment. I don't know what is dynamic here, but it's okay. So we'll see. A network I'm not choosing yet. Later, see. I will see if enable. I will enable later if I feel like. For disk space, I am giving it only 20 GB because by default this Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC only consume 1011 GB by default. So 20 is enough for this, but if you are using any other version of Windows, like regular version for Windows 10 or 11, then I would say at least choose 50. That will be better. I will choose this option so that I can give it the location of my ISO. This is the ISO that I'm gonna use, Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTC 2021. Next, this is the summary. Windows 10 Generation 2 memory 8 GB, network not connected, hard disk I have chosen D drive, virtual machine folder, operating system, this ISO I have given this location, it's finished. Let's see. When it is created, now we'll choose connect. We'll start. It's asking any okay. Something went wrong. Let's see how we can fix. Okay, so I figured it out what went wrong. Let's close it first. Let's turn off. Okay, so what we do if we when it asks for to press any key, it just does not register the key. So it was showing that error. So what we will do, we will before clicking on start, we will already press a button. So I'm gonna hold down the space button here and then we'll click start and keep holding down space button until we show some windows like Windows 10 uh, interface. So I'm gonna hold down here space and then I'm gonna click start. Let's see. Okay, so this time it's booting. Let's see. Okay, so I have released the key now. That's it. That's how you can install it. Yeah. I'm used to installing it by default. Everything is okay. So I'm gonna uh, fast forward it. Like, not gonna explain much. So I don't have product key. Windows 10 RT Enterprise is next. Next, custom Windows base system files. See, choose custom. We have 20 GB of space. Click next. Okay, it has started installing. It will take some time, so it's easy from here. That's it. That's how you install Windows 10 at Enterprise or any other uh, distro OS using this Hyper-V Manager.